Hello. Since this week we were talking about Yuko Chao's work, I thought I would give you all a inside review of Octalysis Prime. I happen to be an Octalysis Prime member, which means that I'm currently working through Yuko Chao's gamification certification through the Octalysis Prime framework. So this is the entry as I come into Octalysis Prime. I'm going to say thank you to somebody who just activated a power-up, and I'm going to collect the points that they sent me. I'm also going to open this little chest. So once a day, this chest, when I open it, it gives me Chao coins, and I can use the Chao coins to buy certain features of the game, but I can also buy, I bought look over here, you can visit the store. I bought the preparation to the Octalysis certification, so I think it cost me 1,000 Prime coins, and I bought the kind of study guide. So you can see there's downloadables, there's magic items, so you can buy things that will give you special features in the world, and you can get genomes that also give you special features. Like I've collected some of these, so that's part of what you can do with the coins. Then what we have is you actually have, this is the LMS. So, all of the different areas of education, persuasive technology, motivational psychology, gameful design, applied psychology, there's a case study area, behavioral economics, entrepreneurship and business, and then Octalysis Core. So when you come into any of these areas, it gives you areas of learning, but it's done in a way that's really fun and engaging. So this has got life, work, health. We're going to go into the beginner area that I've been working the most in. So when I hit here, you see a series of videos. So as you hit the videos, it will give you a small course. So let's just, we'll go through this course. You hit play. And when you get to the end of the course, it will often let you know that you finished the course and offer you coins if you and points for each of the frameworks. So when we go into the stats area, you start to see the 8 core drives. So there is the white hat, which is on the top, and the black hat, which is on the bottom. So each time I complete a video, it gives me points in the different areas: meaning, accomplishment, ownership, scarcity, avoidance, unpredictability, social influence, and empowerment. So those are the 8 core drives. So the cool thing about this training is that the training has actually used all of the foundations of the game and the gamification models that Yuko Chao uses as a framework for learning about gamification. So that's been really cool. I've really enjoyed different areas, the member stories. You can kind of get updates. This is kind of a community area. And as I stay in the game longer, more of these areas open up. So you can see that there's a clouded area here and down in here. That's an area that I haven't used yet. So I thought that would be an interesting thing to show everybody, just to kind of say, the Octalysis Prime framework, he's really practicing what he preaches in teaching people about gamification. When you look at the challenges, the big thing about the challenges is this is how you are able to get your certificate. So you enter in a challenge, and this is how you get your Octalysis 1 certificate, is by completing the challenge. So it's pretty cool that I think he's taken this approach. There are some modifications that I would use. It's not as engaging at times because it's a lot of video. I think that's so that a lot of members can come and use the materials. If I were to improve on this as a course, I would love to see more, assignments or kind of integration activities. That might be a suggestion that I put into the Slack channel. But I thought that this would be something interesting for people to see since we watched the video on Yuko Chao this week. I hope you enjoyed it.